Hi, I'm Jim Raddle. I've been asked all too often why the Newbreed stick flicks so well. Well, here's the secret. Hopefully, other people can incorporate it in their designs. Every part of the stick is important. The hook, the top, the bottom, the flicking edge, and I think the most important, the handle. So let's look at it. Well, here we have it. The handle is curved for a reason. It snugs nicely up into the heel of your hand, and when you tighten your small fingers, it rotates there, giving all the power down through your arm rather than on your thumb. So you don't need your thumb. But there's a bump on there which has caused much controversy, but that's so you put your thumb directly, or so half onto the top of the bump, and then if you do get hit hard, your thumb slides off. But most of the time you've got all that power to use with the thumb just half on the top. And the very last part of the flick is when you tighten your hand and you get that last rotation which pulls it out. Let's look at the front edge. It's made up of 3 different radiuses that progressively get tighter, and this is almost like a gearing on a car where it accelerates the speed of the puck as it leaves your hand. And the front edge is 11.5 degrees and to square at the end, and that's so as you, when the bat is upright at the end and the puck is 90 degrees to it, if you've done it right and you've got it off the ground, it's not putting any rotation into or changing the rotation of the puck as it leaves the bat. The holes in the front were primarily to get over the problem of getting the puck to grip the bat, so you're not going to get aquaplaning on the front of the bat. The advantage is, 1, it does exactly what it's meant to do, it grips the puck. 2, it means that there's less surface area of stick hitting the puck or hitting the water, and it goes through the water very, very fast. Looking at the back edge, the hook edge of the stick, we have again the gripping surface, the 11.5 degree angle, straighten out to square at the end, and this is used, really you tend to turn the stick in your hand like this, and with a back flick, but a pull as well as you're doing it, so you back flick and pull. It's very difficult to teach it, but it's very effective, and one of the things that surprised me, how good the stick was at back flicking, and it's now becoming used so much in the game. In fact, I use it all the time. I'm often asked why we've got holes in the handle. That's to stop shrinkage. I've picked a stick out here that's got shrinkage on the very thick part of the plastic. And that's thick there because that needs to be the strongest part of the stick. If we had shrinkage in the handle, it'd be very uncomfortable and it wouldn't be anywhere near as effective. So we put in the 2 holes there, which actually give more grip to the handle, stops your hand twisting around on it, but at the same time it stops that shrinkage, as you see there, occurring on the top and bottom of the handle. So what can I tell you about flicking? Well, flicking's best done close to the body because muscles work best on short levers. If you're flicking, or if you're trying to push the puck and you're trying to push it from a distance away from your body, it's not going to work very well. So what you need to do is to start as close to your body as you can, bring your elbow in and down using your pecs, getting a good twist on the stick, and then as it leaves your body, it's twisting and running out, and the last bit is your wrist pushing over. So just remember, start close to your body. If you can do the whole exercise really close up with just a twist of the arm and a flick out with the wrist, remembering to squeeze the hand at the end to get that last little bit, you will get a good flick. But it takes a lot of practice. So get in the water, do some practicing.